Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Great, so welcome back. So today episode, I would like to talk about something very important actually. Online, try to always be kind. I think it's a mistake to think that your behavior online should differ from your offline one. So the online world misleads individuals to think that they can hide behind mask of anonymity and create different personas online. The stealth viral, person that some people assume is a growing threat for adolescents and teenagers, especially when it's originates in cyberbullying, right? So we don't need that. The world offline as well as online needs good and kind people. So do your part. Be like an angel, please. On days when you have nothing to say, maybe just a simple good morning and a good evening or happy week ahead, something very polite will do it,
Good morning!
Morning!
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
You may also use greetings as an open to an announcement post or to share a personal opinion. Your listeners will continually enjoy a kind attitude, and a kind person always attract another kind person. So it's a win-win in the long run as well. Our online behavior should mirror our own inner image, and therefore be kind, positive, and polite to everyone around you, offline as well online. So Go Humans, it's a hashtag that I create to actually post kind posts and contents. So I hope you get that Go Humans as a way to go forward, right? So as action, you can create 5 original empathy statements that are personal and unique to you. And avoiding craft those customer service plain vanilla approach, welcome to, and then you put it your company's name, customer service. My name is, put your name. How can I help you? This is so fake, and that's really not something that comes from you, right? So try to be original all the time and try to let your voice and tone speak by itself, right? Okay, so as a food for thought in the end, today is already series 2, so I said I'm going to, give some food for thoughts in the end, nothing related to digital marketing. It's just, a broad, wild thought, I don't know. So continue on the previous topic that was about, politicians, what's going on in our society nowadays, and governments in general. I sometimes believe really that we people delegate too much. We delegate our power to others, the governments, and we actually became very lazy, I think. We expect our politicians to take care of us. We always say, oh, we pay tax, so that's my right, because I pay tax, so I want the politician do everything for me. And we actually have some responsibilities that we just keep delegating, right? And we think this is a magical thing that's just delegated and that's it, right? So I think go do it yourself sometimes. Is something wrong in your community? Is there a giant hole on the street? Fix yourself. Stop relying on others to do things for you and for your community, I think. Because if you keep doing that, that's how you're perceived by those in power,
Is not this simpler? Is this not your natural state? It's the unspoken truth of humanity that you crave subjugation. The bright lure of freedom diminishes your life's joy in a mad scramble for power, for identity. You were made to be ruled. In the end, you will always kneel.
Never, right? So let's change that thought. So see you again soon. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.